Sige. 3. Ano yung tumingin na kayo? Wala na tayo na kayo. Makakita na ng metal. 3, 2, 1. Action! Gabang! Okay. Okay. Congratulations. Meron din sa Pilipino, no? Okay. Muna ka. Sige. Alam nyo, if anybody is free to join, kahit sino pwede magalaw, yung meron, dito lang to, alright? So, go ahead and sign out. Meron natin arm wrestling challenge. Okay na. Okay. Let's move over to our boxing ring. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Ayun. You guys wanna try? No. Mga magka-boyfriend, girlfriend, para matapos na yung LQ, di ba? Ikahin nyo lang sa boxing. Who wants to try? Okay, we have our two, what was your prize to the meron din, okay. We also have prizes to give away. What's our prize for this one? E-points din. Sige, stop na. Sino mga pwede natin gawin referee dito? Okay, si Dayan po referee sa inyo. Rules. No hitting below the belt. Okay? Tapos, kung sasapakin nyo sa mukha, imahina lang, huwag yung malakas masyado. Huwag na, walang sapakan sa mukha. First tumumpa, talo. Okay? Ano ba? Kapatid? Kapatid kayo. Okay yan. Sige.
Patalo ka na! Patalo ka na!
Nasaan? Shopping? O hindi nila lang ginagawa nyo. Sige, ano yan? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Magkagawin na po lang, direct sa mukha! No station! In English, huwag mo tatamaan sa mukha. Okay? Ikaw, unang tapak ko, direct sa mukha eh. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, nagalit kami sa atin. Sige, may 2 oras pa tayo. Ganyan na kayo. Ituloy na yan. Sabi nang walang lublo, paano mo kaya ganun eh? Hindi, joke lang. Pwede pa pala sa amin prize. Yeah, ayaw kayo prize. Congratulations. Once again, lahat po tayo pwede mag-tayo ng boxing courtesy of Chris Sports. It's absolutely free. Wala free bayad yan, alright? So just try it out. And siguro we can have one more. Let's do one more. Alright, ito pa. Ito for
kami to!
yung medyo match naman.
Ito daw oh!
Okay yan. Sige. Okay. Sige, magsuot mo na kayo ng props nyo. Bago tayo mag-usap. Marunong ka ba mga yun? Before anything else, once again, welcome to the ZX Online Rise of the Emperor brand. Or the Rise of the Emperor, rather. Siyempre, we want to thank our sponsors, our partners, Acer, Empowering People, Cosplay.ph, Chris Sports, Better Equipment, Better Games, SM Manila, and Cyberzone, or IT. It's all here. Okay. It's the right corner. What's your name? Wala nang pangalan. Oh, BB. Pwede, ikaw ng BB. BB. How about you? Hi. How do you guys know each other? Paano kayo, ano bang relasyon nyo sa isa't isa? Magjowa. Saka daw balyena. Kaya Meron ka daw X between the legs. Game. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh, yung baliyan na. Naupakan ka. Oh! In the corner. Oh! Oh! 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Oh, tama na. Bukong sa lahat ko eh. Bibi, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Hindi yung talaga kailangan ng balianin mo pa.
Ayan. Okay na. Congratulations. You're gonna take home some key points. Alright. We're gonna go over back to the stage.